I don't know why this keeps on crashing for. Do I need to uh, factory reset my phone again? Or what? Because it's been acting up. Every time I try to play a test tone, it crashes. Yeah. So, what do y'all think? Do I need to factory reset my phone? Let me know in the comments below.